So when I first heard about Pilates, I instantly, thought I knew everything, back in college, of course. And what I realized was that Pilates is not just done on a mat. Now, if you've done mat Pilates, you know it is incredibly, I don't want to say incredibly hard, but it's demanding, right? There's nothing there but you, your body weight, and your muscles to figure it out. What I love about the equipment is that the springs are there designed to assist you through the movements in the beginning. And then as you get the motions, you get the strength, you get the mobility, now you can use the springs for assistance. So it's really just absolutely brilliant work that Joseph Pilates thought of. He was definitely way ahead of his time and based out of physical therapy. So you really feel safe in the movements that you're doing, and you really understand after a few sessions that this isn't just about having nice toned arms. That comes. But we're really looking at being able to do the things that you want to do in a day without having any concern of getting injured.